Hi everyone, today I'm going to go over with you how to replace the rear wiper rubber insert on the Toyota Corolla or Scion IM. So the first thing you're going to do is lift up your rear wiper arm and then bend back the blade until you hit a point of resistance. Once you feel that, don't worry and keep going until the blade and arm are perpendicular or 90 degrees to each other. At this point, your blade should just slide on out. Now to remove the rubber, we need to pinch down on the side with the larger empty space underneath. This will allow the rubber to nearly get to an angle in which you can slide it out. Now while pinching the middle, also pull up on the end to get it over the edge of the blade. Then you can simply pull it out. Once you have the rubber off, you will need to peel out the two metal strips. Then reinsert it into your new rubber along the outermost groove. When you finish that, we can go ahead and put it back the same way we took it out. But just keep notice to line up the empty middle groove with the guides. Continue to guide the rubber through the blade as needed, since you will need to bend it a little. Now that you are done, let's put the blade back on the car. What we need to focus on is getting this bar in the middle into the largest hole on the arm. Then the little nub needs to be towards the center of the car to go along this groove. Now let's get started. Stick the arm through the top of the blade at about 90 degrees, then focus on getting the bar into the hole. Then everything should just slide into place. I hope that helped you, and thanks for watching.